Hey, what's up? It's James. I'm going to explain to you exactly why local businesses need some type of software to help them run more efficiently. And as of late, software has become easier and easier to get and to sell to potential clients. So in today's video, I'm going to go over exactly what type of software to sell to these clients and how you can do all of this under one program called Go High Level. I'm going to walk you through step by step how I prospect for these businesses, how I identify them, and how I can locate them off of Google Maps. So follow along, let's jump right in. So every business owner needs software, they just may not know it. You can look at software as some type of email automation, SMS automation, missed call text back, website, any type of service that can help them in their business and start automating some of those processes that they may not have automated, such as workflows and email sequences. So that is where we can come in and help them out with these specific needs that they have. Their bottom line will greatly be increased by the amount of productiveness that these softwares can lend to them. Most of these small businesses are usually just run by one person, and that one person, we call them solopreneurs. They have a lot on their plate. So they're going to be taking calls in the field. They're going to be trying to answer all of their calls. They're going to be trying to do all the work themselves to keep overhead low. So this is where software really comes in and helps them out, because we're able to offer them a lending hand that will actually be able to take stuff off of their plate so they can focus on more of what actually drives the bottom line in their business, which is making sales calls and doing the work. If you think about software, you are getting in at the ground level of their business where they cannot turn off these softwares because these softwares are vital to keeping their business afloat. These softwares are automatically bringing in leads. They're automatically having people fill out forms. They're automatically responding to emails. So this is something they can't really turn off. So you have a better position inside of their company to help them get more customers. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and go to Google Maps because I'm gonna show you exactly how I prospect and how I'm looking at these companies to try to identify them and see where they're lacking in their business marketing efforts. So first, let's just go to Google Maps, pick a city or town of your choice. I'm gonna start with Tampa here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit HVAC contractors, and we're gonna get a list of them here. Now, right off the bat, there's a few things that we can sell to them with Go High Level. Now, the first thing I'm gonna be looking for is that there is no website. So I'm just gonna scroll down. This already says sponsor at the top, so that means that they are running ads in Google My Business. So right here we have Lens Air Conditioning. They have 125 reviews and there is an average of 4.9 stars. That's really good. And when we pull it up and we start looking through here, we see that they don't even have a website. So add missing information, add website, which that's kind of ridiculous because how are they getting bookings? So I guess let's just see if we can call them. Okay, there is a call button here, but it doesn't look like you can text them from this. So another thing you can see here, which a lot of companies don't have, is claim this business. So if you ever see claim this business and you see that button right there, what it means is that this company hasn't even got on Google My Business and claimed this business as their own. So they're getting all of these reviews, but they're not even managing their online presence. So this is a great candidate for somebody that we would reach out to and let them know, hey, I just want to let you guys know that your competitors actually are able to claim your business and change the phone number on your listing and steal your clients. So we want to make sure that your online presence is secure and safe. I also noticed that you guys didn't have a website, so I had my team actually make you one. And if you could maybe get on a call later today or tomorrow, I'd love to show you how the website looks. So this is a great opening the door strategy that we can use. They're lacking in a few places. So obviously we come in, we diagnose the company just like a doctor would diagnose somebody, and then we write it down and then we add this to our list. And then that person's somebody I'm gonna be calling today, and then I'm gonna be talking to their owner. Now, if you do a little bit of research like this before you contact a company, your chances of actually landing them as a client are way higher. So you definitely want to be putting in your due diligence and come here and do at least 20, 30, 40 seconds of research on a company before you call them, because you saw how quickly I was able to just dive in here and spot 3, 4 things wrong with their company. And honestly, you do want to let them know that there are a few good things with their company. Let them know that they have amazing reviews on Google, so they're going to be ranking higher. So a website would really drive traffic automatically just because of their amazing rankings. Now, you could also get some new pictures on here. I see that the photos and videos, they only have 2, and the photo is actually just a picture of their building, which is not that great for potential buyers to come through here. Okay, let's go down and find another one. Here's another one. This is 204 ratings. They have a 4.9 average and they don't have a website. I mean, this is just ridiculous. Now, on this one, it does look like they've claimed their business, which is great because that means their competitors can't come in here and change the phone number and steal all their business. So let's go ahead and scroll down. Looks like they've got great pictures. Looks like the owner has posted some pictures. This owner looks like they're on top of their stuff a little more. So this is somebody I would still call and say, hey, I just want to make sure you guys are open. I've noticed that you guys didn't have a website. So I actually made you one. Is there any chance that you'd want to check it out and maybe we could work with each other? And then with that simple conversation, that simple cold call, that 30 seconds of research, you're going to automatically get a huge increase in your likelihood of closing this client and working with them and getting them a couple $100s for the website plus maybe $50 to $100 per month just in hosting fees. That's something you can earn a monthly recurring revenue on, and it didn't take you that long to diagnose this company. So let's keep scrolling down. I want to show you one that has some bad reviews. So it seems like all of these have pretty decent reviews, but we're just going to keep scrolling down. Okay, so Winter Haven Air Conditioning Inc. This one has a 4.1 average rating. They have 37 ratings, which I'm pretty sure that they have more clients than that. Let's see. Okay, they've been in business for a few years. Somebody asked a question 4 years ago. So they've been in business for quite a while now. And the reason I say that is because 37 reviews is pretty low if they've been in business for over 4 years. So let's check out their website really quick. Okay, I don't understand what I'm looking at. Okay, that's their logo. Okay, I don't know why that dog was just licking me, but let's keep scrolling down. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and funnel hack this with you guys and just tell you where we could improve on it. I'm getting kind of like a mix. When I see the dog, I just think of veterinarians, dog cleaning, stuff like that, dog spa. So when I see that, it definitely doesn't feel like I landed on the right spot. So right here is something called brand continuity, and I don't feel like I'm in the right spot. I clicked on an air conditioning company, and all of a sudden there is a dog licking the screen. It just doesn't feel right. Now I understand that their logo is there. I just don't think the dog licking the screen is the best thing to pop up right away. Let's scroll down here. Let's see, is there a call to action anywhere in this top part? I don't see anywhere that I can click on. That's not a button, that's not a button. I don't see any buttons that I can click on that appear in the header. So this is called the hero section, and I don't see a single call to action in the hero section, which is a big no-no. You want something up here where a call button, you want an email here, possibly a call us now. Right here, I would put a form fill to get a free quote, some type of form fill to enter your information in to capture any type of lead. Now look, you scroll down and here it is. Contact us right here, name, phone number, how old is your unit? I don't know why that really matters right off the bat. See, this is a little deterring as well. This is the kind of question that you want to answer during a sales call after you get their information. You really want to make form fills as simple as possible. You just want your name and phone number and possibly a tiny box where they can choose to enter in any of their issues or problems that they're having with their AC unit. So you don't want any of this. Now, I bet that this is all required. Yeah, they have this stuff required. Okay. Trying to ask how they heard about you on your first form fill is a horrible thing to do. Why bombard these people? It looks like I'm filling out a form for the IRS. There's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 different boxes that I have to fill out just to get in touch with this company. Also, I have to scroll. Look how far I have to scroll down just to get to that form fill. All right, like I said, very disturbing. Not really happy with that. Now, as you can see, this stuff kind of makes me a little on edge because when I see bad marketing and I see bad landing pages, I just know what needs to be done to make this thing look great and to actually work as a funnel. You're not trying to, have an about us page and testimonials and financing. Like nobody's going to be clicking this stuff. Look at this. They have a VSL and no money down. What is this? Where does this go? It's just a picture. Okay. But they have it as a button. Anyway, there's a whole VSL here of them trying to upsell another service to you. I just think that's a little ridiculous. This is something that you want to upsell, not something that you want on your main page. A blog, AC blogs. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm just going to say that 2017. Okay, so this website probably hasn't been updated in too long. So here, 2019 at the bottom left, we see the copyright date. That just means that if there is somebody paying attention to this website, they haven't updated it in quite a while. I was gonna say the blog kind of threw it for me because you can tell nobody gives a shit about blogging about AC units. Let's just be honest. Okay, so this coupon too is ridiculous. Anyway, let me walk you through what I would do for this specific company. So right off the bat, their website is an actual website. What they actually need to have is they need to have something that's driving sales, which would be a funnel. So what we would do is we would call this company, we'd call Winter Haven Air Conditioning, and we let them know, hey, I went on your website and it just looks very outdated and everything seems to be in the wrong place. Your form fill at the bottom should be at the top. There's a bunch of continuity issues, and I just think that the blog is something that died in 2017. So I just want to let you guys know that your competitors actually are using funnels, and funnels are different from websites because funnels are doing every single thing possible to drive your potential customer to a specific action, whether that be to make a call to you directly or to fill out their information for a free quote. So what we really want to do is just say, hey, I've actually made you guys a funnel that most of your competitors are using some type of this funnel and they are crushing it. I only work with HVAC companies, so I'm very familiar in this space. And I just want to let you know that you could be bringing in and closing a lot more clients, especially with a funnel that's very optimized for this specific purpose. Another thing I noticed is you have a 4.1 star rating, and most of your competitors have an average of 4.8 to 5-star rating. Now it only says that you have 37 reviews, but I really think that you guys have probably been around for a lot longer than that. And I think that maybe you, with some type of email campaign to your past customers, you could get a bunch more ratings to bring that up. Because what's happening is with a 4.1 rating, when people are scrolling through this long list and they're on Google Maps searching for air conditioning companies, yours comes up pretty low. So if we increase that from 4.1 to maybe 4.6, then you'll be in that ballpark and you'll start getting more traffic. We help with that as well, but let's start with your website first. Now, another thing that you can do is you can go ahead and take their website here. You just copy their website, go over to Go High Level and go to prospecting. And then inside of prospecting, just go add prospect, go ahead and search. We're just going to search. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and search. And this right here is going to pull this up. We're going to go ahead and click this, save prospect. And then what's going to happen is a marketing audit report is going to be generated. And this report is amazing because it's going to go over exactly what's wrong with this business from Go High Level's perspective. And it's going to be able to tell you what to upsell this specific company on based on their report. So this is going to go through, pull all the data from their website, all their data from Google My Business. It's going to see if there's any pixels active on their website. So TikTok, Facebook, it's going to tell you if these tracking codes are going to be present on their website, if they're running ads, and really it's going to pull the reviews as well and tell you, hey, maybe this person could benefit from some Google review management, or maybe this person could benefit from some SEO to appear on more listings in the near me on Google Maps. All right, so in here you see the marketing audit report. This is great because this is something that was generated in just a few minutes. And look at this. It already goes through here and kind of gives you a few things that you can talk to these potential clients about. So before you get on a cold call, you obviously want to know this stuff so then you can know what to upsell them, tell them what's wrong with their business. If you don't have as much experience with marketing as I do, you can go ahead and use this as kind of a crutch to lean on because it's going to go ahead and tell you exactly what talking points to go over during this cold call. So obviously they don't have a text-enabled business number. That's huge. You want to be able to text business numbers nowadays. Their review replies are very low. Chat widget, they don't have a chat widget on their website. That's something you can upsell them and Go High Level. Their Google business page is claimed. That's okay. WordPress site, WordPresses are very slow. So we're going to go ahead and talk to them about their funnel. Now, if we scroll down, here is the SEO analysis. This shows how well they rank in a Google map. So based on their SEO, it looks pretty bad. So right now they don't really appear at the top. In one spot do they appear in the second spot, and actually there's two spots they rank pretty high in, but the rest of them are, 10 plus, 9, 8. So they're like 8th, 9th on the list here on most of these. Now, with just some Yext, you can upsell them that's SEO. That's gonna automatically list them in these spots automatically and get them a higher ranking. Now, when we scroll down, Like I said, their listings are very low. The review summary goes over how many reviews they've had, how many negative reviews they've had, how many positive reviews they've had. So this is something that we can mention to them. Now, depending on what service you're going to be selling them, obviously you want to lean towards that during your conversation, but this is all here just so you can show that you know what you're talking about. You're showing them what's wrong with their business and how they could improve it. And in the worst case scenario, you educate them and let them know, hey, this is where, what I would do if I was working with you. And when you provide value like that up front, most of the time these potential clients will really be receptive to that. They'll feel like you're on their side, you're on their team, trying to help them and their business do better and get more customers. Now, this audit also does pull the examples of the negative reviews. So if you do want to walk through them one by one with them, like I said, if you're selling Google Review Management, go ahead and do that. If you're not, try to focus on something that you're actually going to be selling. For example, I already told you that I would like to lead with a free website on this guy because his website was horrible. It looked like a website from 2015. So the craziest thing is you can just go ahead and tell him you made one already, because how hard is it for you to just go over to go high level? So for example, you can just go over here, hit new funnel from template, continue. You can get them HVAC. You just type in HVAC. You can go ahead and get them a beautiful website like this, and you can show this to them and say, hey, this is a website that I built out for you. Obviously, we'd put your logo in the top, but this funnel is designed to specifically book appointments and get you quotes. So this is something that you can sell to them, and you already have it pre-made. You just go continue, you throw their pictures and logos on there, and that's something you can sell to them. Now, I hope you guys gained some value from today. If you guys want to learn more about how to build these websites out fully, go ahead and click over here. I have another video. I've gone ahead and built you guys a free course on how to completely white label your own SaaS agency, and I've left a link down below. I don't sell anything. This is 100% for free. So go ahead and click that link below and get signed up. It's a 7-video module course that helps walk you through every single step of the way. I also have a private Discord that you can join below to network with agency owners like yourself. Now, I'll see you guys in the next one.